What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida realtor with MVP Realty. I am standing in the kitchen of the Summerville model here at Verdana Village, brought to you by Lennar Homes. The Summerville is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,444 square feet. I'm going to put some music on, let you take the tour, and then I'll check back in with you when the video's over. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for checking out today's video of the Summerville model, brought to you by Lennar Homes in beautiful Verdana Village. I'm going to put a link in the description box below for information if you'd like any floor plans, HOA information, amenities, etc. I'll put that in the description box. Feel free to click that link and I can email you everything that you need. Or if you want, feel free to give me a call or shoot me a text. My number is 239-823-1685. Thank you again for checking out this video, and I will see you on the next one.